A big ass branch about ready to go into our tunnel. It's fun, but look at this. This is my fucking backyard. Look, this is my backyard. It's way worse over there, but there's a tree in the way. But this is my backyard. This is another update. It's my third update. Or no, second update. Yeah, second update. But I will keep you updated for more. Big ass storm. And this is what date is it today? What? 20? This is June 26, 2011. Yeah. But look at that fucking, oh my gosh. Well, alright, well, I'll keep you updated for more. Bye.